This movie
This movie
is about how Angel likes to learn to fetch on his own.
Whoop. Hi. Come on, you can fetch it. Handsome. Here he comes.
Good boy.
Dad.
Good
That
boy.
was fantastic.
All right.
All right, we're gonna go again.
Harry,
You
this
ready?
is why. Okay, toward the bathroom. There's Harry.
There they go.
Come on, Minion. Come on.
Yeah,
Excuse me, I have to.
I have a duty to fulfill.
Oh,
Very nicely done.
Very nice. Take it to Mom's pajama pants. Good boy.
All right.
All right, that's our movie
That's
for
our
the
movie
day.
for today. Congratulations.
All right.
Nice
Oh,
fetch.
yeah, nice fetch.
Hi, Ari.
Hi, Harry. Harry Boo.
Ari boo.
Look, I'd like to take my toy and fetch it again if you don't mind. Okay, here.